Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are good. Welcome back to my channel, your hairstyle guide. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Today I have brought for you very beautiful, very amazing collection of lob haircut ideas. Lob haircut is very famous nowadays. Actually, lob haircut is in between like long hair and bob haircut in length. In lob haircut, your hair length is in between long hair and lob haircut. In this haircut, hair length is below chin and above collarbone. It looks very beautiful on heart shape face, but it looks beautiful on every type of face shape. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video.